What is vermicomposting? The answer is worm composting. How do aphids damage plants? Time's up. It's sucking sap. Why is drainage vital? Here is the answer. Stop root rot. Where do you prune roses? Did you guess it? The answer is above the node. When should you sow kale? Did you guess it? The answer is cool seasons. What is a native plant? Here is the answer. Local species. How does nitrogen help? The correct choice is leafy growth. Why use a cold frame? The answer is protect plants. When to plant garlic? Answer fall! What is a heavy feeder? And the answer is needs nitrogen. How do you stop slugs? Answer, copper tape. Why is deadheading done? The answer is new blooms. Where do thrips hide? The answer is inside buds. What is a cultivar? Here is the answer. Named variety. How do you divide hostas? Did you guess it? The answer is dig and cut. Why use row covers? Time's up. It's pest barrier. When to pick peppers? Did you guess it? The answer is full color. What is bolt resistance? The answer is delayed seeding. How do you test pH? And the answer is soil kit. Why use bone meal? Here is the answer. Phosphorus. Where do snails hide? Did you guess it? The answer is damp spots. What is leaf mold? Time's up. It's compost leaves. How do you kill thrips? Here is the answer. Spinosad. Why use blood meal? Did you guess it? The answer is nitrogen boost. When to sow zinnias? The correct choice is warm soil. What is the scion? Answer, upper graft. How does lime help? The answer is raises pH. Why use rock dust? Here is the answer. Trace minerals. Where is a taproot? And the answer is deep center. What is an heirloom seed? The answer is old variety. How do you stop wilt? The answer is manage water. Why use sulfur? The answer is lower pH. When to sow lettuce? Time's up! It's cool weather! What is a rhizome? The answer is lateral stem. How do you save seeds? The answer is dry and dark. Why use green manure? Did you guess it? The answer is soil nutrients. Where do bulbs grow? Answer, underground. What is a sucker? Here is the answer, new shoot. How do you prune ivy? The correct choice is trim to node. Why use fish meal? Did you guess it? The answer is slow nitrogen. When to move peonies? And the answer is early autumn. What is loam soil? Did you guess it? The answer is balanced mix. How do you fix rust? Here is the answer. Remove foliage. Why use peat moss? Did you guess it? The answer is water holding. Where is the crown? The correct choice is above roots. What is a stolon? The answer is runner stem. How do you stop damping off? The answer is sterile soil. Why use perlite? And the answer is aeration. When to trim hedges? The answer is active growth. What is a tuber? Here is the answer. Fleshy stem. Great job. Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.